Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. So today is my Vlogmas day 23. So yes, it's coming to an end. 2 more days after this one. And that is a little saddening. I've enjoyed this so much. But yesterday's ball was this pretty purple. And you can see it went on top of that flamingo in some areas. And then in some areas it was on top of the green. But it just looks very beautiful on there. I love the way that looks. Is that very pretty or what? So today, let's find out what color is going to be added. Ooh, it's a multicolor. A very pretty multicolor. Goodness, this is like the whole rainbow right here. Let's see, there's some yellow, purple, orange, pink, turquoise, green. All kinds of pretty colors. And I'm not sure what yarn that is either. I don't know. It is a shiny yarn, so maybe it's like a Karen Simply Soft or something. It seems to be on the thinner side. But, oh, there's some bright, pretty colors in there. That will add a nice, different layer to it. So, yeah. That'll come, let's see, I ended my purple right here. So I'll start that, and it'll go on top of the green for a little bit. And then it will go on top of the purple. Wow, that's going to be pretty. I can't wait to add that in. See how that looks. I know it'll be great. So yes, I'm going to be working on that tonight. I do want to share some cards with you I got in the mail. Let's see. Who is this card from? Oh, this card is from Tracy and Penny, Creatively Tracy. You can find her on YouTube, actually. She sent me this card with a manger scene on it. Isn't that pretty? And I love the color. That purpley color on the background. That's really pretty. And this is from Tracy and her pup Penny, who is the same age as Phoebe. They're roughly about the same age. And I appreciate that. But also Penny included this Christmas in Paris tea. I'm not sure if this is the same one I had last night. Christmas in Paris. I thought the one last night was peppermint flavored. We've already taken the trash out, so I don't know if last night's was the same as this or not. But it was delicious. I think last night's had a peppermint flavor to it. It tasted peppermint. But the tea was so yummy. It was so good. I told Elijah, because he fixed it for me and brought it to me, and as I was drinking it, I said, oh my gosh, I could really drink this every day. This is called Christmas in Paris, and Noel in Paris. So I'm not sure if it's the same one I had last night or not. But it was really good. I can't wait to drink this one too. And then Tracy also sent me this little Red Heart Mini. I've never had these. It's just a little Red Heart Mini cake. It's really cute. It's a 4-weight yarn. And it is called Holiday Cheer. And it is 72 yards. So I'm going to totally put this in my Christmas blanket. That Christmas blanket I was working on earlier in the month. I did stop working on that because I had some Christmas gifts that I had to knock out. And so now that that's over, I'm going to get back to working on this. Even though Christmas is over, I'm making that blanket for next year. So, but I appreciate that, Tracy. I'll be thinking about you and Penny as I add that into my Christmas blanket. And then I'll always think about you whenever I have that Christmas blanket. Thank you so much for that. And I'm going to put this tea over here so Elijah can fix that for me later. Well, he's just going to leave to go out. maybe late tonight. Okay, so then I got a card from Emily. And let me just show you her envelope. I'm going to cover her address up. My address doesn't matter. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Very artistic. I love that. I love that you decorated your envelope like that. And inside is the cutest little card. Christmas again. Y'all, is that just not adorable or what? Like, this really just needs to be in a frame. I love that. That is so, so cute. And she wrote me a sweet little note on the inside and even drew some little puppy prints for her dogs. Paw prints. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Emily and Aaron. And Ellie and Falco. I hope I said that correctly. Anyway, so also she included a couple little ornaments that are just very, very cute, very adorable. Oh, a peppermint ornament. And I really like this thing right here that it's attached to hang that with. That's cute. Very cute. And then I guess this is, I hope that's what it is. This is what it reminds me of, is like a Dr. Seuss fish. And it's on a Shrinky Dink. I used to do these Shrinky Dinks for my kids when they were little. They're so much fun to do. Isn't that cute? I love that. I love that. If you ever never done Shrinky Dinks, you haven't lived. They really are fun to do. We used to make all kinds of keychains, backpack tags, and things like that. All right. Thank you so much for that, Emily. I appreciate that. Let's see. Okay, now I have a card from Roseanne. And Roseanne is from Pennsylvania. Look at this pretty Christmas card with the horn there. I love seeing all the different Christmas cards. They're all just so beautiful. And the envelope did stick to the card a little bit. I tried pulling it off, but I didn't want to do any more because I didn't want to damage the picture of the card. But thank you so much, Roseanne. I appreciate that. And then here's a card from Mimi Cat Do. Yeah, Kathy Do. And she included a T in here also. Let me show you her card first. The red truck. Isn't that cute? It's so sparkly. It's super sparkly. Merry Christmas. Mimi Cat Do 65. I think that must be her YouTube name. So I appreciate that so much. And she included an apple and cranberry tea. And that sounds really delicious too. I love trying new teas. I haven't had this before, but I will, and I'll let you know. But yeah, I love having new teas and just trying them out. Thank you so much for this card, Kathy. I appreciate that so very much. Let's see, I have a couple more cards here. Marion Bright, and this is from June and Danny and Nathaniel. So I love that. Very beautiful card. Thank you so much for that, June. And the last one, Oh Holy Night. And this is from Christina and family. Oh Holy Night. Yes, it was. Thank you so much. I love that. And I appreciate that so much. I thank you all so much for the cards. I'm going to add these to my card wall, and I'll be adding another picture of the card wall soon. Maybe before the next 2 videos are up anyway. But I hope you're all having a great day. I haven't been feeling too good. Feel pretty weak and just overall feel sick feeling. I guess it's because I ain't been able to eat. I don't know. But I am going to find me something to watch and put in this beautiful ball of yarn into this project. And I will be back with y'all tomorrow to open day 24's baggie. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all again very soon.